Did you know that bubble wrap, which is commonly used as a packaging material nowadays, was originally invented in 1957 as a 3D wallpaper? I think virtual reality headsets also have a potential to emulate something similar. A product which was originally available for gaming purposes has a much larger potential. The VR headsets in the gaming industry did not see the kind of boom which was expected out of them. So now VR companies are shifting their focus to developing programs for other industries. But you observing somebody wearing a VR headset and you might comment that they look stupid and socially awkward. I mean, looking from outside, you might not be wrong. But what VR headset does to the inside is the topic of our conversation today. A lot of people don't realize that virtual reality headsets are already being used for various other purposes and not only for gaming and entertainment. Virtual reality headsets are already being used by the NBA, NFL, and the US Olympic ski team to train their athletes. This helps athletes to train round the clock, even in adverse weather conditions and when the player is not feeling well or has sustained an injury. VR is also being used to train employees that work in hazardous jobs. In such jobs, simulation to train employees cannot be created, and even if they can, they are risky, expensive, and dangerous. Few examples of this can be firefighters, emergency responders, surgeons, people who need to work with heavy machinery in manufacturing plants. You might be thinking how wearing VR headsets can prepare someone for these real life situations, but there is research to prove otherwise. VR helps our brain to encode memories with much higher rate of accuracy. A research conducted by the University of Maryland shows a 9% improvement in memory accuracy when learning in VR versus looking at a flat screen. Another study done by Strive, a VR startup, actually shows that recall and response times are improved by 12% with training in VR. Now on the surface, these numbers might not look huge, but in a sport, this can be the amount of difference between winning and losing. And in a dangerous environment, these numbers can be the difference between life and death. See, we can figure out how VR is so impactful by understanding a simple phenomenon called the rubber arm effect, also known as the body transfer effect. It is an experiment in which subjects are positioned with their left hand hidden out of sight. They see a lifelike rubber left hand in front of them. The experimenters stroke both the subject's hidden left hand and the visible rubber hand with a paintbrush. The experiment showed that if two hands were stroked synchronously and in the same direction, the subjects began to experience the rubber hand as their own. And after that, when experimenters tried to inflict pain on the rubber hand, the subjects felt that pain on their left hand too. This is the same way virtual reality works, but for your entire body. That is why when people are training with the VR headsets on, their brain adjusts and sends the signal that whatever is happening with their real body. So, when people train, they are forced to make choices and their brain will feel the consequences if they make a wrong decision. This experience is going to stick with them far longer than any PowerPoint slide. We are just about scratching the surface of virtual reality. Because of its ability to create brain pathways, virtual reality is showing a lot of promise in the field of cognitive and behavioral therapy. It is astonishing that medical health experts are considering virtual reality as a viable option to treat people with mental and neurological disorders. Currently, virtual reality is being used to treat people with Alzheimer's and dementia. It is also being used as an alternative of morphine. It has a huge potential moving forward in the world of medical sciences. Here are some other examples of some industries that are making good use of virtual reality. In the automobile industry, brands such as BMW and Jaguar Land Rover already use VR to hold early design and engineering reviews to check the visual design of the vehicle. All this before any money has been spent on physically manufacturing the parts. In the retail industry, various companies are attempting to bring us the VR shopping experience, which would allow us to try on clothes in the virtual world to see what they would look like on us in person. Similarly, it is being used in the tourism industry, architecture, real estate, education, and the list goes on and on and on. It will definitely occupy a huge chunk of our future for sure. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Share it around with your friends and colleagues to share this knowledge. Comment about the topics that you would like us to cover in future videos. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so that I can see you in the next video.